Hello everyone, my name is Lex Davidov. Welcome to my channel. Today is very important day. As always, you know, like I think every single video that I start with the words, "It's a very important day." Today I'm going to open GHK AKS74U. This type of rifle I was waiting for a long time. I did a lot of researches and read a lot of information, watched a lot of videos, and I was choosing between AKS74, the long barrel, and AKS74U, short barrel. And at the end, I called to my friend Mike. We used to play Airsoft. I would say Mike was one of the first guys who actually throw me in a real Airsoft world with all the features, upgrades, equipment. He even did ask me to join his team. Anyway, Mike got his own online shop. I called him and I said, Mike, listen, you do all this Airsoft, and can you tell me, is it going to be a big hassle to order from China? And he just went, oh yes, oh this, and that, and that, and that, and that. And then he said, what are you looking for? And I said, originally, I'm looking for AKS74U gas blowback. And he said, give me 1 hour. In 1 hour, he called me and said, I got one in stock, I can get you. I mean, and it was a sign. And I did understand, I must go for it. I just simply must go for that. So, anyway, back to rifle. Thank you, Mike. It's a metal, it's a one solid piece. And, not one solid piece, but I mean, it's a metal. And this is a real wood. I think, and this is a gas blowback. That's all what you need to know. Wood, metal, gas blowback. As we talk about the reality, this one is the closest one, I would say, on the market, the closest one to the real AK. Every single part that is there makes an absolutely nice sound. Magazines are heavy. They're heavy. Gun itself is also heavy. It's interesting because comparing with the electrical rifles, there are technically less parts, less springs, less bearings. There's no bearing stall, but it's heavy. It is heavy, and you can feel a real weight and really, again, nice ergonomics. So the way how you hold it, the way how you can move it is absolutely beautiful. Magazines, gas magazines, they are 40 rounds magazines, and this is the biggest game change. I want to go to the gas blowback, and I will forget about pray and spray. No more bunkers for 600, no more drums for 3000, nothing. 40 BBs in the mag. I did order from Mike extra 4 magazines, they are coming, by the way. And so technically 200 BBs will be on my loadout. That's it. Comparing to other guys who got the drums with a 3000, I need to push my game level to the next stage. You can buy a lot of upgrades. I mean, now I'm talking about the externals. You can buy a lot of external upgrades, and now it's absolutely, I mean, if you are owner of that type of replica, you can buy a lot of external upgrades, and now it's up to you what you're gonna do. Or you're gonna keep it in original look, or you're gonna put all these rails with torches, with the big muzzles, with different type of triggers and selector switches. You can put a lot of upgrades inside, so it gives a better recoil, louder kick, better blowback. And you got a really interesting thing is a speed loader. Speed loader looks like this. So you put the BBs, you put them in there, then you have this little thing. This goes on the magazine, and if you read an instruction, it's a lot of tricks how to do this. You need to hold it on 30 degrees, like that, and then with this thing you push all the BBs inside. Kind of interesting idea how to fill your magazine, but what I thought, if I got extra of I don't know, 3 or 4 of them, and keep them in some kind of pouch, they can be your speed loaders, technically. And now what I try to do, I will get some gas, I will get some BBs, and we will do a little bit of shooting. Alright, if you think that I am crazy, who coming 6 o'clock in the morning, just to tell you about my new gun, there is another crazy man, his name is Dave, or Konstantin, how do you want me to call you? His name is Konstantin. We are going first of all show how to load them. Yep, so as I said, there is a piece of tube. You just put some BBs in there.
Don't fill up fully.
No?
Yeah, you need to fill up.
Okay, a little bit.
The...
I don't know how many there. 20, I guess, 20-ish.
It's about 25, yeah.
25, about 25. Then this little thing with a thing inside. Yeah.
Fit here. Yeah.
Okay, so I think I put a bit too much, yeah, in this case.
No, don't worry.
No? Is it gonna go?
Look. You see, you fit it.
Yeah, and then wait,
go.
30 degrees.
Yeah.
30 degrees.
On angle.
And you push.
It's new mark, so should be good.
With a big power. Yeah. All right, as I promised to Dave, he will do the first shots, his first impression, and I'm gonna film. It's very cold in the workshop. It's freezing cold, but I really hope that everything gonna work. So, as I said, I don't know how to fill up this right. On the bottle it says 4-6 seconds, repeat 2-3 times. Let's follow the bottle. So, 1, 2, 3. No, 4-6 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the third time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'm on the right side because I'm gonna film recoil. Okay. Oh yeah.
Okay.
Single?
Yes.
That's it?
Did you fill up? Really cold.
That's it. Another good feature is that it's non-dry firing. As soon as he runs out of BBs, he cannot shoot anymore. As you see, he presses the trigger. I think it's enough gas still, no?
I don't think so.
Okay, just do one for 4 seconds. All right, try not to shoot my fingers, a bit closer. And okay, red gas in the cold area. 95. I think we'll run out of gas. 82. 245. 243. Whoa, not so fast. 248. Okay, yeah, as I said, it's kind of randoms because it's a bit cold. It's a bit cold there, and we just need to sort out the gas. But anyway, we got 243. Whoa, Dave, stop please. 243, 248 FPS on a 30s BB. I think it's still a bit too much. I will do recalculations and we will have a look. So after reading some information, I understand it needs to be cleaned and lubricated straight away. So as I know, you take this cover up, so then this spring goes out. We can put this magazine in there. Then little bouncer goes up and out, and sorry, I forgot I need to recoil it, so this trigger needs to be down, and all these parts coming out, and that's it. By the way, Dave and I decide not to work today. We just decide to use our time for preparing for tomorrow's game. Oh, by the way, a little announcement, guys. Tomorrow we are going to play in Sierra Golf Airsoft, Sierra Golf 1 Airsoft. It's a previous Warminster. I will take my cameras. I will make a beautiful video from that site. It's my first time. It's a Christmas game, and is there gonna be a lot of video footages? There's gonna be an interview with the site owners. Even I try to fly my drone. It's a 3 parts only that make all the work. And as I know, I just need to lubricate some parts, some moving parts, to make it a bit smoothly, because what happened when I took it out of the box, it didn't close it till the end, so it didn't kind of feed the BB completely. And again, after some information, after some forms, okay, that's what we got. We just been shopping again, and the silicone lubricant, high performance. We've been told that it's safe on rubber, vinyl or wood. I'm just gonna clean them with a cloth, and every single part that has scratches, so it's where the metal touches metal. Actually, this one, you can see there are already big wears and tears after all my tries, and I guess in the shop they did try them too. Mike told me, by the way, that they try it because they need to make sure the FPS and the mechanical part works well. But anyway, I'm gonna just clean it, and put a little bit of silicone lubricant. I'm not sure this is the right one, but that's all what I have for now inside. So I'm just gonna degrease it like this, like this, like that, like that, like that, and of course, inside where all sits. And the last thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna also clean the barrel. That's one of the most important things I heard need to be done. As soon as you get the gun from the factory, from the stock, you need to clean the kind of factory grease. As I've been told, the most important thing is do not put too much. Usually what people suggest, they say spray it on a finger like this, and then just nice and gentle touch. Some with there, a little bit of there. I think it should be more than enough. And barrel. Oh, you did it. What this?
It fits perfectly. Take a look. I take it from yours. Yeah, and it fits on speed loader.
Okay, so it's this is another Dave's update. We're gonna talk in the next episode how caravan and motorhome engineers can upgrade the speed loader.
Legs, and now moment
of truth. Okay, it's a little bit spoiler. Is it gonna work? Is it gonna work? Is it gonna work? I think you're gonna break it. I think you're gonna break it. Oh, mate.
Need to glue
okay, let's pretend we didn't see it. So first of all, we're putting this thing. Oh, it's really nice and smooth go. Yeah. I can feel it. Okay, and next one goes. This one. So, and again, this is a little bit I still need to learn. Dave is quite well with this.
Yeah.
So, from other side, yeah? So, yes, so it goes like this. Forward. Wait, is it like this? Forward and just down. And back. Okay, forward. Forward. So, forward, in, down, and back. Something like that. And the last thing is a spring. Recoil spring, it's called, right? Okay, when this everything together, you put the cover. With the cover, I noticed, just because it's a new gun, it's really not easy to put this cover back, so I need to use a little bit of force, kind of to close it in the right position. Sometimes you need to do a good kick, but it goes in there, like this. Okay, hopefully we have a single fire now. I'll just do a couple of shots. Something wrong again. It's really did. All right. Unlucky, guys. Unlucky, absolutely. Yeah, I think so. Something is definitely wrong in there. Something is wrong. I think it's still too cold. Is it red gas or black gas? Right. Okay, he's saying it's a red gas. Okay. Doesn't fit.
Так, это здесь black gas. Lex. Okay, Lex.
No.
Black gas.
Too cold. I think it's too cold. Okay, let's try. Свой. 243. 225. 223.
Red gas, yeah?
It's a red gas, yeah. 217. 225. That's it. 200. And that's it. No more gas left. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe because it's cold, maybe something else, but we understand we need a proper cleaning, proper lubrication. 270. 249. Yeah, the black gas works perfectly. What I understand is it to be perfectly looped, and then this thing going, the recoil, goes quite well. Okay, I'll try to put this one on the side and do some kind of. Yeah, empty. They do like attention, they do like lubrication, and they do not like cold weather. That's what we understand. Anyway, the gun is awesome. I will try to play tomorrow a little bit with this. I don't know how the performance is going to be, but hopefully everything going to be fine. That's it. I think it's too cold. I think it's still too cold. Yeah, it's a bit too cold for them, guys. All right, Dave and I, we understand that, guys, with the temperature that we have now, if you see the steam is coming from my mouth, with the temperature on a stock basis of the GHK, what are you doing there again, Russian boy?
I just cleaned the baby.
All right, yeah, on a stock basis, with the, yeah, so
I need to clean, when you buy it, clean bar.
This is, how many times we try it? 3-4 times?
2 max, 3 max.
Yeah, so that's what was inside. I really hope you can see it. Technically, that's what I've been told by my friends. If you buy the stock, it's a really good base for the future upgrades and improvements. But a lot of things need to be improved. Can you play from the box? Yes, you can, if you buy it in the middle of the summer. When you and Dave buy it as a Christmas when it's cold outside, it was minus today. Can you play in the stock with a black gas? I really doubt it, guys, really doubt it. But Dave and I, we're not going to give up, and we will change inside, we will put some upgrades. I don't know, will I take it tomorrow on a game? I don't think so. So even if I said, yeah, I'll better take my electrical gun and my copter and my cameras and do a nice proper game, like a gameplay. But these babies we will try when it's gonna be a bit more warm. Okay, thank you very much, guys, for watching, and I'll see you in my channel with the different gameplays. And we're definitely gonna do a lot of tests with these babies a bit closer to March and April. See you then, guys. Thank you.